Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert an image into a line art in Canva. It is very simple. It's the simplest thing I've ever seen in Canva. So let's get into it. So with that one, we first have to add our image to the Canva. So head to elements and search for any image at all. I'm just going to go to my recently used over here to use some images I've already used. So I think I like this one. So let's remove the background. Yes, and scale it. Now, in order to convert it into a line art, go to edit. So select style match. When you go to edit, head straight to style match and select see all. Then scroll down. So you're looking for line arts. Good, this is line art. I missed it. So click on line arts and wait for Canva to do its magic. So just sit back, relax, grab your coffee, and sip and enjoy. Great. So we have our design over here. As simple as that. Just converting an image into a line art. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button for our next video.